Okay, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. We are a custom engine facility, and we are built everything in-house. What we happen to have here on the stand today is a 383 stroker with 360 horsepower. This engine happened to be painted custom black. Junior, if you zoom in on this and show people how beautiful the engine color come out. Again, this is going to go into a 55 Chevy. We design and build anything that you need. We build everything to suit the customer in-house, and we live run every engine and break them in. Anything we can help you with, you'll give us a call. Horsepower, we got plenty of vacuum. Excuse me. Well, once again, if there's anything we can help you with, remember, Proformance Unlimited, 1-800-267-3940.